So guys, now we are going to start the next exercise number 2.2 in application of derivative, which is depend on approximation. So in the previous lecture, we find the approximate value of many different functions. These types functions are as follows. In exercise number 2.2, there are question number first is find approximate value of the given function at required points, and the function is number 1 under root of 8.95. So here we have to find the approximate value of 8.95. First we know about what is approximation. By the rules of approximation, we can say that we can say that f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus f of h into f dash of a. So here x belongs to x coordinate, f of a plus h means the given functions. So here if we have to find the value of under root of 8.95, then we know about its nearer value, which is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. If we divide this 8.95, we can write this 8.95 is 9 minus 0.05, because the value of 9 minus 0.05 is 8.95. Here we can say that the value of a is 9 and h is very small, which is minus 0.05. So first we consider that the given function f of x is equals to under root x, and if we differentiate with respect to x, then the derivative of fx, which is f dash of x, and the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 under root x. So here we know about the value of 8.95. x is equals to, we can say that a plus h is the 8.95, and this 8.95 we can write 9 minus 0.05, or we can write a plus h is equals to 9 plus minus 0.05. Here clear that here a is 9 and h is minus 0.05. By using this two value, we can first calculate if f of a from at x is equals to a. When f of x is equals to root x, then we can write f of a is equals to root a, and the value of a, which is 9, we can say that f of 9 is equals to under root 9, and the value of under root 9, which is 3. Now again we have to find the value of f dash of a. The value of f dash of x is 1 upon 2 root x. We can say that 1 upon 2 under root of 9 means 1 upon 2 into under root 9, 3. 1 upon 2, which is 6. We can write this 1 by 6. So now we can calculate by the rules of approximation. That is, the rules of approximation is f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a, and the value of f of a, here we write the value of f of a is 3. Here 3 plus the value of h, which is minus 0.05, and the value of f dash of a, which is 1 by 6. So here we can write approximate to 3 minus 0.05 upon 6. The calculation of 0.05 upon 6 is 0.00833, and if we calculate, if we subtract 0.00833 from 3, the final answer is 2.9186, which is the approximate value of under root of 8.95, which is the required answer. So the next one, which is second, and here we have to find the value of cube root of 28. The exact value of nearer to cube root, and the number which is the 27 is 3. If here we have to find the value of cube root of 28, then here we can use the rules of approximation. By using the rules of approximation, we can find the value of cube root of 28. So here, first we consider that whole function f of x is equals to cube root of x, or we can write this x raised to the power 1 by 3. If we differentiate with respect to x, then the derivative of f dash of x, by calculating, we can write the derivative of f dash of x is 1 upon 3 into x raised to the power 2 by 3, or we can write 1 upon 3 into cube root of x square. So here we know that the value of x, which is a 28, we can write 28x means a plus h means 28 is equals to 27 plus 1. Here we can write a is 27 and h is 1. So from this value we can evaluate the value first, which is f of a, and f of x, which is cube root of x, f of a, which is cube root of a means 27, and the value of cube root of 27 is 3. So again, f dash of a, here 1 upon 3 into cube root of 27 square means 27 into 27. Here we can write 1 upon 3 into first cube root of 27 is 3 and second cube root of 27 is 3. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. We can write the value of f dash of a, which is 1 upon 27. So here we have to find the value of cube root of 28. So by the rules of approximation, we can say that f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So here the value of f of a, which is a 3, plus h means 1, and f dash of a, which is 1 upon 27. So 3 plus 1 into 1 by 27 is 1 by 27. Here we can take a cross product of both, or we can find the value of 1 upon 27. So here 27 into 3, we can write 70 plus 1 upon 27. 71 plus 1, 72 upon 27. If we divide 72 by 27, then finally we get 3.03704, which is the required value of cube root of 28. Is a approximate value, which is cube root of 28 is 3.03704. Again, so next one, which is fifth root of 31.98, and here we have to find the value of fifth root of 31.98. The nearer or approximate number, which is 31.98, is 32, and we know that about fifth root of 32 means value of fifth root of 32 we can write is fifth root of 2 raised to the power 5. Fifth root 5 cancel, we can get fifth root of 32 is 2. So it is difficult to find that the value of 31.98 fifth root. But here we can find the value of fifth root of 31.98 by using the rules of approximation. So we know that rules of approximation, which is f of a plus h approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Here we have to find the value of f of a and f dash of a. So first we consider that given function f of x is equals to fifth root of x. If we differentiate with respect to x, or we can write x raised to the power 1 by 5. Then derivative of f of x, which is f dash of x. and the derivative of fifth root of x, which is 1 by 5, x raised to the power minus 4 by 5, or we can write 1 upon 5 into fifth root of x raised to the power 4. So here x is equals to a plus h, and the value of x, which is 31.98, we can write this 32 minus 0.002. So here a is equals to 32 and h is equals to minus 0.02. The value of a, which is 32, and the value of h is minus 0.02. So here the value of a, which is f of a, and f of a we can write fifth root of 32, and fifth root of 32 is 2. Again we can write f dash of a, which is 1 upon 5 into fifth root of 2 raised to the power 4. So here we have to find the value of fifth root of 2 raised to the power 4. 32 raised to the power 4. Here we know that fifth root of the value of fifth root of 34, which is f dash of a is equals to 1 upon 5 into 2 raised to the power 4. The value of 2 raised to the power 4, which is 5 into 16, we can write it 1 upon 80. So, by the rules of approximation, we can write the rules of approximation, which is f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a, and the value of f of a is 2 plus the value of h, which is minus 0.02 into f dash of a, which is 1 upon 80. 2 plus minus 0.02 into the value of 1 upon 80 is 0.0125. 1 upon 8. So if we multiply this both term, we can write 2 minus 0.02 into 0.0125, we can write 32 2 minus 0.123000250, 2 minus 0.000250, we can write 1.99975, which is the required value of fifth root of 31.98, which is the required answer. So the next one, which is example number 4, 3.97 whole raised to the power 4. Here the nearer value 3.97, which is 4, and we can find the value of 4 raised to the power 4. But here it is difficult to find that the value of 3.97 whole raised to the power 4. First we consider the whole function f of x is equals to x raised to the power 4. We consider that the x means 3.97. If we differentiate with respect to x, we can write the derivative of f of x is f dash of x is equals to 4x cube. So here x is equals to a plus h, and the value of a plus h is 3.97. We can write this 3.97 is 4 minus 0.03. So here clear that a is equals to 4 and h is equals to minus 0.03. The value of both, which is a4 and h is minus 0.03, we can find the value of f of a is, the value of f of a means x raised to the power 4 means f of 4, which is the 4 raised to the power 4. And we know that the value of 4 raised to the power 4 is 256. After that we can find the value of f dash of a is equals to f dash of a means 4 into 4 cube, which is 4 into 4 cube. 4 cube means 64 and 4 into 64, which is again 256. So by the rules of approximation we can find, by the rules of approximation, f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So here f of a, the value of f of a is 256 plus h, which is minus 0.03, and f dash of a again, which is 256. The product of minus 0.03 into 256 is 7.68. So here we can write 2.56 minus 7.68, which is 248.32, which is the required approximate value or required value 3.97 whole raised to the power 4. So the example number 5, which is 4.01 whole bracket cube, and here we have to find the approximate value, or here we have to find the value of 4.01 whole cube. It is easy to find the value of 4 cube, which is 64, but so here difficult to find that the value of 4.01 means we can calculate 4.01 into 4.01 into 4.01, but it is best to find the value of 4.01 by rules of approximation, and the rules of approximation is f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So here first we have to find the value of f of a and f dash of a. So first we consider the whole function f of x cube. If we differentiate with respect to x, the derivative of f dash of x, which is a 3x square. So here we know that the value of x or a plus h, which is 4.01, means 4 plus 0.01. Here we can say that the value of a, which is 4, and h is 0.01. From the above condition we can write the value of first f of a, which is f of 4, which is a 4 cube, is 64. F dash of a, which is f dash of 4, is 3 into 4 square, which is a 48. So by the rules of approximation, the rules which is approximation is f of a plus h is approximate to f of a plus h into f dash of a. So here the value of f of a is 64 plus the value of h, which is 0.01, and f dash of a is 48. So 64 plus 0.01 into 48, which is 0.48, and sum of this both term we can write 64 plus 0.48, which is the required value of 4.01 bracket cube, means approximate to 64.48.